Over the last 5 years, we've used different mosquito and tick spray companies to come in and spray our yard. We haven't been happy with the results we've received from these companies. That's why we've tried a different one every single year. Well, this year, it's my turn. I've got this Mosquito Sniper kit. I'm going to hook this up to my leaf blower and I'm going to go spray our yard and see if I can do a better job than these companies. Other reason that we want to spray ourselves is we can be a little more in control of what's getting sprayed on the yard. We have a vegetable garden, so we don't want chemicals getting sprayed over there. So I have a product today, it's from Wondercide, so I'll be using that in conjunction with this Mosquito Sniper system. It does say it fits all leaf blowers, so hopefully it fits this one. This leaf blower does have this cone on the front, makes more of a funnel effect. We do need to remove this, so I'll take this guy off. And this is where the liquid is going to come out, so we're going to put that on there. I'm going to slot this over here, and we're going to bring this, well, we're going to bring this through first. How are we going to do this? Like this, there we go. This is going to slot in here. We did it too tight, like that. It's going to allow us to hold this tight. I'm going to attach this 4-way spray nozzle. It's going to go on the end of this bit here. And what we're going to do is we want to make sure that the middle of the leaf blower exit is lined up with one of these holes or closer, so we're going to have to pull this down a little bit. And you could put this through here and then clip it back in so it's secure. Take our 4-way nozzle, we're going to put that on here. I'm going to take this around so the top 2 nozzles are pointing out either side and not just straight up at this bracket here. So you don't just have this pipe hanging down when you're spraying. It comes with this clasp here so you can secure this. A little branded on there, Mosquito Sniper. So I'm just going to put it around here like this. And it can hold that secure here. Because I'm going to hold my leaf blower in my right hand, so I can hold the pump sprayer in my left hand. This is going to connect onto our pump sprayer, but it's also got a little valve on here so you can turn it off and on, or off, then on. Now it's time to set up the pump sprayer. You don't need this wand here. What you do need to do is get the pickup line into the pump sprayer, and then tighten this on. And just take the end of your hose that has that valve on it that I was showing you before and screw this on. Now you're ready to go mix whatever chemical you're going to be using. I'm going to be using the wondercide. You can see here with the spray attachment set up. And then we have the pump. You're going to put a little bit of pressure into this tank. At this point you can turn this valve to the open position. So when you're using this, you're going to put your thumb on here and press this, and that's going to allow the chemical to come out the end, whatever you're spraying. What it looks like when the chemical comes out. Obviously we'll have air on, and that'll start misting that into the vegetation that we're trying to treat. Mosquitoes like to take shelter underneath leaves, so when you're spraying the product that you're choosing to spray on your yard, make sure you spray from the bottom up. This way you're going to get a good coating on the underside of the leaves, and this way you're going to have a better effect at controlling the mosquitoes. It's important before you spray, make sure that any neighbours are going to be inside, or any pets that they may have, and let this dry before you let everyone back outside. Or depending on what you're spraying, make sure that you follow the guidelines for that. But for this one here, you make sure everyone's inside, all the pets are inside, and then once it's dry, they can come back outside. So really impressed with how well this Mosquito Sniper works. See here, that 4-head spray nozzle. If you want to spray something, you need a single spray nozzle. They also have that too. I'll leave a link in the description below to this so you can get one for yourself. Comes with the sprayer if you get that kit, or if you already have a sprayer and you want to just hook this up to your leaf blower, they also just sell this kit too without the sprayer. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more DIY content around the home, you should check out this video here next.